That knot in your stomach when the movie's biggest moment lands with a whimper, not a roar, or when the dialogue gets swallowed whole, leaving you straining, frustrated. You've invested in the screen, but the sound? It's just there. That hollow, disconnected feeling is why so many of us give up on the dream of a true home cinema. But for the purist, the uncompromising film buff, the one who knows every subtle texture in a soundtrack, that simply won't do. If you're tired of making excuses for your setup, if you crave the kind of sound that doesn't just hit your ears, but wraps around your entire soul, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You're the kind of person who believes a truly great film isn't just watched, it's experienced. This isn't just another black box. It's a statement. Marantz built this like a precision instrument, crafted in Japan with materials that feel substantial, like cold metal and rich heritage. You know those flimsy, cheap receivers that feel like they're going to break if you look at them wrong, constantly dropping signals or muddying the sound? This thing scoffs at them. This has HDAM SA2 tech inside, which means the audio isn't just delivered, it's sculpted, dynamic, and impossibly clean. Every whisper, every explosion, every musical note is rendered with breathtaking clarity. When a jet screams across the screen, it doesn't just go from left to right. It roars through your living room, then climbs above you, thanks to the 11.4 channels of Dolby Atmos and IMAX enhanced audio. You're not just watching the storm, you're in it, feeling every raindrop on the roof above you. Plus, you've got 7 HDMI inputs, analog, digital, even a phono stage. Every single one a buttery smooth connection. No more compromises, no more switching cables. Now, let's be real. This isn't a casual purchase. It's for the serious enthusiast, the one who understands that an extraordinary experience often comes with an extraordinary expectation. This receiver demands great speakers to truly sing, and it's going to make every piece of content you own feel brand new. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation of your entire space into a sanctuary of cinematic bliss. It pulls you into the story, makes you forget you're on your couch, and delivers an emotional punch that cheap alternatives just can't touch. It just works. I put the link below so you can check the current price.